Hey everyone, it's Patty from Creative Eclectic. Thanks for joining me here today. I've got an unboxing. I got my Thornwillow press dispatch in the mail yesterday, and so I'm going to open it for you all to see right now. This is going to be at the classic level, the very basic level, and I've already kind of opened the tape on it because, you know, I struggle with these things, and this way I'll be able to get into it without so much struggle. I haven't looked at it yet though, and let's see here. Yes, this is the classic edition, and this month's book is The Lottery by Shirley Jackson, and the note from the publisher says, "This month we are honored to present The Lottery, Shirley Jackson's iconic work of dystopian literature. The Lottery challenges us to question the traditions that we participate in and to ask ourselves whether the way it's always been done is morally acceptable reason to do something." Included in this month's dispatch is your very own lottery card. Most will be blank, but one person will receive the black dot. Unlike in the lottery, the winner will have a positive result, a prize copy of Thornwillow's edition of Parable of the Sower by Octavia Butler. Open at your own risk. So here we go. Let's see what all we have here and if I'm a winner. All right, the first thing on top is the Thornwillow lottery ticket, and mine does not have the black dot on the back. So I did not win the prize, but, you know, every time I open one of these, I feel like I'm getting a prize. So I'll save that, and maybe it'll be like a little bookmark or something. Speaking of bookmarks, here's our beautiful bookmark this month. It's kind of got a sun motif or something on it. Yeah, it looks like a sun. I like that. And then the broadside is Tomorrow is the Child of Today by Octavia Butler. And it looks like it's quotes from a couple of her books, The Parable of the Sower and also The Parable of the Talents. I've read The Parable of the Sower, but not Parable of the Talents. Parable of the Sower was fantastic. Very disturbing, but fantastic. And let's see, as far as our stationery goes that we always get, I wish I had my glasses on. I think this is a dragon on here. Yeah. Very cool. I love this. And then it comes with a tissue-lined envelope to go with it. And then here is our book, Shirley Jackson's The Lottery. And let's see. Here's the frontispiece, and it looks like it's a picture of Shirley Jackson. And this is printed letterpress, like all the other things that Thornwillow prints. Let's see. 600 copies were printed of this particular edition. This is not the limited numbered edition that's signed by the publisher. This is, like I said, the classic edition. And the classic edition is now going for $45 if you want to subscribe. Used to be $30. They've bumped it up to $45. I believe that does include shipping, though. And so it's, you know, it's still a pretty good deal because you get this nice little package to open up each month, and all these little goodies, and then a work of great literature, a small work of great literature to enjoy. So, Suntup published this, and I don't have a copy of the Suntup, but I'm very happy to have a Thornwillow copy instead right now. So I'm going to enjoy this. Maybe I'll read it this month instead of putting it off for later, because this is one that I've wanted to read for a while. So I'll let you know when I read it and what I think of it, okay? And I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me, and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already and you like my content. And I'll see you next time, okay? Thanks. Bye.